For this cute fall craft, you'll need a book, thick floral wire, 2 green felt leaves, 2 pieces of wire, and some cardstock for your pumpkin template. You'll also need to grab some scissors and a hot glue gun. If you have a kit, your book will look like this with the cover already removed, but if not, removing a book cover is actually pretty easy. Just open the book wide, grab an X-Acto knife, and cut between the book spine and cover. Now do the same on the other side, and the pages should come right out. Grab your cardstock and cut out the template, or feel free to draw your own pumpkin shape as long as it fits on your book page. Next, position your template on your book with the flat side facing the spine. Also make sure to line it up on the bottom edge. This will make our pumpkin a consistent height when we're all done. Trace and cut along that line a few pages at a time. Don't try and cut too many pages at once. I found that I could cut about 10 to 15 pages at a time without any trouble. Continue tracing and cutting throughout the rest of the book. Make sure to use your template each time to trace and not the previous cut pages, or else your pumpkin shape will be much bigger at the end than when you started. Phew, I know that was tough, but while you still have those scissors handy, go ahead and cut off that chunk of spine still attached. Try to cut as close as you can to make it look nice and tidy. If you want to add some color to your pumpkin, you can either use spray paint, which I used later on in the project, or you can use craft paint slightly watered down. Just brush it on the edge of the pages with the book still closed, and flip through the pages while the paint is drying so they don't stick together. Now get your glue gun ready and start creasing the spine. Run a few beads of glue up and down the spine. Fold it in half so that both sides of the spine meet up, and hold for a beat while the glue sets. Then glue the facing pages together. There's really no science to this, but now you just fold, fluff, and glue wherever you feel needs it until you've reached your desired fullness. It takes a lot of preening to get it just right. And things like this might even happen. No worries, just keep it up, it's definitely worth the effort. Now your pumpkin needs a stem. Grab your floral wire. I cut 4 7-inch pieces to make the stem. Just fold the pieces in half and twist. Set that to the side while we make the leaves and vines. You'll need your felt leaves, 2 wire pieces, and a pen or something to make the vine curlicues. Grab your glue gun and put a dab of glue at the bottom of the leaf. Place the wire and fold the leaf around it. This gives the leaf some shape. Now grab your pen or marker and wrap the other end of the wire around it to make the curly vine. Like I mentioned before, if you want to spray paint your pumpkin, now is the time to do it. Try not to directly spray it, just lightly spritz around it until you're happy with the color. fluff out the pages to make sure none are sticking together. When the paint is dry, we can add the finishing touches. Grab your stem and glue it in the center hole. Play around with the bend of the stem to give it a more natural look. Now grab your leaves and bend up the wire at the base. Just glue the leaves on, and that's it. You have a cool fall decoration to enjoy all season. Have fun. Bye-bye.